Hello, friend. This is Abby from Peep Shoes Studio. In our website, you can see many items, shoes, hats, t-shirts, and so on. And we have special shows every day. More products, more discount. If you are interested, please contact me by Kik, Skype, and email. Okay, today I will introduce the Authentic Jordan 1 High Retro OC Band. Okay, let's try the shoes in detail. See the toolbox. The material is very soft, and you can see red laces, and you can see Nike logo on the top of tongue. Okay, try this side. You can see Nike logo here, and the white midsole. And can you see this logo? Okay, try this side. Another side. Then try the back. You can see this logo. Last, see the button. You can see Nike word and Nike logo. Okay, you can see these shoes. The quality is very good. Okay, if you like it, please contact me. Okay, thanks, goodbye.